So one of the things I'm going to cook is some really sweet, simple stuff. Today we're doing a Year 9 recipe. It's a self-saucing pudding. Again, if you're gluten-free, substitute out the flour. If you don't have chocolate, so there's two flavors. This one's a chocolate one, and there's also a caramel one. You can change it up a bit. You can add fruit to it. You can do whatever you want. Remember, adapt if you need to. See ya. So here's a quick recipe. There's a chocolate or a butterscotch self-saucing pudding. So dry ingredients first. I've got some sugar and some flour. I'm just mixing those together. I use brown sugar. You really just need white sugar. I did it wrong. My bad. Okay, so in this other bowl I have the dry ingredients. I've put a little well in the middle. I've got some milk and some melted butter. And I just want to mix that until it's a nice, thick batter. Throw in your cocoa for the chocolate one. And keep stirring. Add your cocoa, mix it together, put it in an oven-proof dish. The sauce ingredients is literally just mixed together in a jug. You pour those over the back of the spoon over the top of your pudding. Goes in the oven, some magic happens. It comes out looking like this. Clean up, eat it, repeat. Great work. See you people.